Welcome back to video 2 of a 5-video series. In this video we are going to take the Mini 2 SE for a little flight. I will try to explain some of the features in both the drone and the remote as we go along. Using the one button push to launch. Press and hold, the Mini 2 will climb and hover. If you didn't get a chance to watch, I will link video number 1 in the description. Now switching to the camera view on the drone, you will be able to see just what the drone sees. Let's climb to about 200 feet and turn to head into the mountains. I see smoke in the distance, let's go see what that's about. I am going to switch views so you will be able to see what the view on the remote control shows you. Let's talk a little about the view you are seeing on the remote control screen. This tells us we are in normal mode. There is Scene, Normal, and Sport. Slow, Medium and Fast. The in-flight when pushed will allow you to set your return to home elevation. This indicates your battery level. This tells you that you have 17 minutes of battery level left. This is your remote control strength. This one tells you how many satellites you are connected to. The 3 dots gets you into the main menu. This is the angle of your camera lens. This indicates you are in video mode. This is your zoom level. This is your record button. This shows we have been recording for 3 minutes and 32 seconds. These are your camera settings. This tells you there is 6 hours and 58 minutes of storage left. This one tells you we are 1,123 feet from the remote control or from our home point. This one shows our elevation at 251 feet. This is our speed indicator and I promise you it's wrong. We are not flying 61.4 miles per hour. This is your ascending and descending speed. When you are ready to come home, press this and it will give you your return to home button. Now, let's get back to our flight. Looks like our smoke is just someone's burn pile. It's been trying to rain most of the day, but as chilly as it is, I think it could turn to snow in the hills. When the video is jerky like this, we are losing video reception. Let's go back to camera view. The small town you see in the distance is about 4 miles away. Okay, let's go back to the remote control view and hit return to home.
Return to home. Landing.
In case you were wondering, you will need a guard dog to keep your landing zone safe. Thank you for watching. In video number 3 we will take the Mini 3 Pro on the same trip.